Hey foodies! Today's recipe is a simple, easy yet tasty banana curry. It goes well with puris, chappaties, rotis and rice either. So let's get started. Here I have taken 2 raw bananas. Chop off the ends of the banana. Peel the skin and soak it in water until it's needed. Heat a pot. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add cumin and mustard seeds. Let them splatter. Add 2 to 3 red chilies. Few curry leaves. 1 teaspoon of chana and urad dal. Let them all roast well. Now add 1 medium-sized onion roughly chopped. Add little salt so the onions go soft. Cover and cook for a while. Once the onions are done, now add roughly chopped bananas into the pot. Mix all together. Cover and cook until the bananas are soft. Once the bananas turn soft, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, one teaspoon coriander powder, saute it. Add ginger garlic paste. Now you can adjust the spice levels according to your taste. Mix well all together. Add 1 large tomato chopped. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are nicely mashed. Once the tomatoes are mashed, now add 1 cup of water. Let the curry cook for about 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the color of the curry is changed. Now add finely chopped coriander, cover, let the curry simmer for 5 minutes. It's been cooked pretty well. And the tasty and yummy curry is ready now. Serve it hot and enjoy it with chappatis. I hope you liked today's recipe.